What I really love about bioenergetics is that it's a bridge between allopathic medicine, if you like, and a new medical model, I believe. I think what Peter and Harry have done is extraordinary in the sense that it's brought the quantum physics field into the medical arena in a way that is so holistic and so informative on so many levels. I think, I guess from my perspective, because I've worked in both areas, as a nurse and also as a practitioner, energy practitioner, there has been enormous resistance over a long period of time from the medical profession for this sort of work. And I think what Peter and Harry have done is really burst that bubble, if you like, or open the portal slightly to what I see really as the only future for medicine. I think the older model is seriously flawed and we need a whole new approach to health and healing. My name's JUDE CARLSSON. I'm a registered nurse and midwife and also a kinesiologist and naturopath, and I live in the hinterland of the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia.